Morning Crunch, total win. Sparkle Clean, hard pass. But these cookies, absolutely amazing. So here's the deal. You gotta try the snacks, but skip the spray.
Land O'Lakes butter with canola oil. Now, my grandmother used to say this kind of stuff would turn your insides into Tupperware. Today, we're going to find out if she was right or if she was just keeping all the good snacks for herself. Welcome to Charlie's Chew. We're giving this a chew today to see if it is worth your time, in my opinion. Back in the 80s and 90s, back in the day, margarine was the golden child of health. Then, the check engine light came on when we realized that those trans fats were basically heart disease in a tub. Now, we've come a long way since then, but the skepticism remains. It did for me. Now, living in a Skoolie presents some unique challenges. One of them is room temperature itself. It's a moving target. In the winter, my living space is cooler. In the summer, in the high desert here, heat turns everything into a puddle. Now, my butter is either a brick or a soup. And to quite frankly, I got tired of ripping my toast in the morning with hard butter. Destroyed waffles. I know, it's a rough life, right? So I gave this Land O'Lakes blend a try. Even directly out of the fridge, it didn't mutilate my waffles. I turned the package over, waiting for the Tupperware ingredients to jump out and bite me in the, But lo and behold, butter, canola oil, salt. That's it. Here's the science. Adding a liquid canola oil lowers the melting point. While dairy fat turns to a rock at 40 degrees, refrigerator, canola oil stays liquid. It's just chemistry helping my bagel stay safe and in one piece. Now, the calorie myth. Adding oil doesn't lower the calories. Fat is fat. Ooh, don't I know it. If you're looking to lose weight, this isn't a free pass. The heart win, it does cut saturated fat and cholesterol by about 50%. 50. I'm not a doctor, but hey, it's a little better for the ticker. The wallet, it didn't impact my budget, not too terribly much, which is always a plus when you're navigating life on a fixed income. God, I hate that term. If you want to stop the early morning toast-tearing frustrations, this does exactly what it says. It has great flavor, it's spreadable, and it's a solid win in my high desert kitchen. So drum roll, please. 2 thumbs up. This is a solid pass, meaning it passed, not passing along. Oh, you get the picture. You've heard my pass verdict. Now you give it a chew and let me know what you think. Do you agree or disagree? I'm curious. I'm Charlie. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your time. Deuces.